How do solar pool heaters work? If you are looking to extend your swimming season without breaking the bank, then solar pool heaters are the right choice for you. Solar pool heaters work by using energy from the sun to heat the water in your swimming pool. Solar collectors. Solar pool heaters consist of a network of solar collectors. These collectors absorb and retain solar energy. Heat transfer. As the pool water flows through the solar collectors, it absorbs heat from the sun-warmed tubes. The heat energy from the sun is transferred to the water in the collectors. Return to pool. Once the pool water has been heated in the solar collectors, it is returned to the swimming pool. The heated water mixes with the cooler pool water, raising the overall pool temperature. Temperature control. A control system or thermostat can be added to regulate the temperature of the pool water. And here are benefits of solar pool heaters. Thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button if you found this video informative.